Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Gemma Demetria, 40 years old from Philippines. I am married, blessed with two children, ages 14 and 4 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I am a Roman Catholic. I work as housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, one couple and two children, ages 5 and 1 years old. My main duties are taking care of the children, doing the laundry, cooking, cleaning the house, marketing, ironing, and simple gardening. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years. I serve 3 members of the family, one couple and one children. My main duties are taking care of the children, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, ironing. I work as domestic helper in Singapore for 10 months. I serve 4 members of the family. My main duties are taking care of the autistic boy, ages 25 years old, cooking, ironing, marketing, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, car wash, and gardening. To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, kind, and responsible domestic helper. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.